Well guys, you can see here, got this cleaned up after being dunked in the Evapo-Rust. I think I want to try to straighten that a little bit. It looks like it's been torqued on and bent some, and I want that to be as straight as possible for when we make a handle for it. And I think what I want to do is try to clean up all of these face surfaces and polish those just a little bit, and then leave everything else with the forge marks, just so that there's that contrast. You can tell it's been beat here. It's all mushroomed out, and so we have to clean that up. And this head up here has just been battered badly. You can see how that's all mushroomed out. So we're going to have to clean that and this, and then we'll try to polish these edges and get it all put back together again. All right, guys, we got to pin this jaw back in right there. I found a rivet here. It's a little long, but it will fit this nicely. So let's put that on there like that. And I want that a little shorter. Okay. Now we're going to pin this down and try to round it over. That turned out wonderfully. All right, we got to get this spring in here just right. There we go. That's it. Guys, didn't that turn out wonderfully? I am so happy with it. There were some gouges here that I couldn't get out of the polished mark, but you can see here, there's still, you can still see some reflection there. Tried to blue all of this around here that was rough just to protect it, and I think the contrast looks nice. New handle turned out wonderfully, and this part here will drop right down over the top of the handle as it adjusts. You can see here in my dictionary of tools that this tooth kind of comes up, this jaw comes up a little higher than what it does on this one, but I don't know what the purpose of that is or why. It is considered a combination wrench, and you can see that it's for pipes and for a nut if you wanted to do that. So it seems to be really good. There's a lot of grip to be able to turn this and for the adjustment, so that's a good thing. But very happy with that. I think that's hickory handle on there. So we've got the hickory, and that should make a good sturdy handle for it. We've got nice clean tools. Everything works well, it moves well. Kind of wish I could have gotten some of these, but they were awfully deep. So anyways, we'll just have to live with it. But I still think it is a great representation of a great tool. Well guys, another fun project down in the books. Got it all wrapped up here. So I am very happy with this. It's been sitting here in the tools for a long time, and I wasn't really sure how that handle was supposed to look, and I found that in my dictionary and thought that is great. So let's go ahead and give it a home up here on the wall. All right guys, thanks so much for joining me on this. I sure do appreciate you coming by and visiting me in the shop. It's getting colder, and so it makes it all that much better to be here in the nice warmth and be able to knock out some of these projects. We still have a whole mess of tools over here to play with and to get cleaned up, a whole bunch of axes as well. And I hope I'm not doing too many axes, but I enjoy them so much. They're one of my favorites. And so anyways, come back by again. Give us a thumbs up if this was entertaining, you enjoyed it. Share this with other people. We're always trying to build the channel. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. And we'll hit the notification bell there so that you'll be able to be notified when another video comes up. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day. God bless.